Here's how you can create AI-generated videos with Luma Dream Machine. Luma Dream Machine is an AI-driven video creation tool similar to Luma Labs and Pika Labs, which are constantly evolving and offering new features to users. While AI-generated content has not yet reached perfection, Dream Machine stands out as an intriguing option for anyone looking to create videos. Users can generate up to 5 prompts per day for free. Gadinsider's compiled comprehensive instructions on how to create videos using Dream Machine. First, log into Luma Labs Dream Machine and click Try Now. If you're new to utilizing it, you'll be required to signing in using your Google account. Type in your prompt. Type in the prompt for what you want the Dream Machine to create. You should ensure that it's as particular as possible. Generate your creations. Hit Enter. The video will take some time to generate video depending on the amount of videos in the queue. Download your video. Click on the generated video. If you're happy with the results, click Download to save it.